Hey y'all, so I'm out today having lunch with my hubby. We at this place called Milk and Honey. So we're just waiting for our food. Waiting for JB to come back with a drink. Hopefully you guys can hear me. It's a little bit noisy here, so hold on. Okay, it's a little bit noisy, and I'm gonna insert like what the restaurant look like. I think it's a black-owned business that sell like these rich, flavorful food. So I got the shrimp Cajun pasta, and JB got the deep fried salmon. I'll show it to you when I get here. So just a little lunch date with my hubby, and okay, after 30 minutes of waiting, I got my food. Oh babe, there's a good JB got it. Say hi babe.
What's up, what's up, what's up?
So I'm gonna go in, okay?
Thank you for the food received after the nursery. I'm not going to buy this food. We think we will repair the limits and
Let me
yeah, this can't be helped.
JB said the food is not healthy.
Can't be.
Hello, I'm gonna taste it. Hello. Oh my god. Taste it. Somebody grandma in the kitchen, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's later. Oh my gosh, babe. What's that? Fried?
Peach.
Is that fried?
Cheesecake.
Is it fried? No?
This is fried biscuit.
Oh my. So that's the restaurant we just left. Milk and Honey. Hey guys, so just came back from my lunch day with JB, and we got Jack from school, and now I'm gonna change out the bulbs in my basement because I came down here last night and they were all blown. So I'm using these GE daylight bulb because I like down here, because the basement I don't have a lot of windows. I have this big glass door right here and two little emergency exit windows. So I like to keep the bulb bright. Okay. Oh Lord, I had to take my pants off and put on some shorts because them pants ain't gonna be safe on this ladder. So let's see. Hopefully I got the right one. Hold on. Okay, so I changed those 3 bulbs on this side. I think I got to change them over in the gym areas, but I'm gonna see if these work first and see if everything matches. Yay! Yeah, and it all matches. Oh, we good. We're good. The next thing I'm gonna do is that we bought some new toilet seat. We're gonna change those out. JB gonna change those out for me, so that can be good. And then I'm waiting for Alex to come and hang up some pictures so I can show you guys that as well. Just trying to get a little bit of housework done in my house.
to get my house together, just to have these. I start stuff and I leave it and I move on and start something else. And one thing JB said to me is like, let's just make a list of all the unfinished project we have to do and just slowly mark things off. So we've been wanting to change the toilet seats in the house, just in 3 bathrooms, and we have pictures that need to be hung and just some other stuff, you know what I mean? So we're gonna try and get some of those things done today. So stay tuned for more minor home updates.
Okay, so as I mentioned before, JB gonna change out this toilet seat for me, and we have 3. Is it pretty easy, boo, or do you think it's gonna be hard? Huh?
Should be pretty easy.
Okay.
Should be pretty easy.
Let's see. Okay, so I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's done. Let me show you. Oh, you already took the old one off?
Mm-hmm.
Where is it at? You threw it outside already?
On top of the trash can outside.
Oh yeah, let me show you one more thing. So, I went to the Crate and Barrel outlet and I saw these pampas grass. And I got these. This one is called Espresso. That's a color. And I put it in the vase. I gotta suit that up right here as you're coming up the steps. So let me know what you think. Should I move it from right here and put it against and put it upstairs? Let me show you where. Excuse the mess, I'm doing laundry, okay? I was thinking put it right here in the corner, right? Just because everything is white. And then if I move these, just get drapery and hang drapery here. Not quite sure. Also, I got these darker ones, but I'm not gonna keep it here, but I like the look. Think I should keep it here? I just feel like these things look better against like a white wall. No? Let's see. Okay, y'all, new toilet seat installed. It also soft close, so once you touch it and you come down, it closes slowly. So that's like a little upgrade. So I'm excited about that. He's gonna do the other 2. Yeah, that's it. Go ahead, babe.
No, so if you don't change your vents out, this is the importance of changing your vents out every, what is it?
I think it's 3 months.
Every 3 months, every 90 days?
Yeah.
So every 90 days, this is what you get. This is the airflow that's coming through your house, right? So if you're getting sick and you're not feeling well and stuff is going on with your body, reason being is because of your airflow in your house, right?
Yeah,
this is the one from downstairs that runs our entire system. This is the one from upstairs. We have a different system upstairs.
That's in the bedroom and the hallway.
Yeah, in the bedroom
That's
upstairs.
like really, really bad.
Yeah.
And the worst thing is that I even have this thing set up as a reminder on my calendar, and I still didn't do it. But that's bad.
Correct. So
Get that. Like this is another part of decorating and getting your home.
yeah, home maintenance and management.
So thanks, love.
Mm-hmm.
So guys, what I'm thinking was, I think this darker pampas grass will look good upstairs and the lighter one will look good down here. So I'm gonna take these dark ones with these, I guess the vase I got from Restoration Hardware, and put it upstairs in the landing and see how it looks. Do we like that? I kind of do. I feel like I like it. Just because it looks really natural, and then I have the dark floor, and then these light bins, and it just gives like a raw factor to the wall right here. You know what I mean? So yeah, it looks messy and unintentional, you know. So I think that works. And then I'm going to move this vase right here to the front room and see if that works. But yeah, I like that. Do you like this, Jack?
Yeah, it looks nice.
Is that gonna scare you?
Yeah.
No, not.
At nighttime, of course.
Yeah. Love that. Next thing. So guys, I got the pictures hung. These two hung. I was gonna use this mirror, but I'm gonna find a circle mirror, as I mentioned before, just to break up, just to give some more, I don't know, more pop to it. This looked good on it, honestly. I don't know. I want to get a circle mirror to kind of play with the idea if the circle mirror looks better, or should I just use that mirror to keep it more equal and more balanced. And I did move the tall pampas grass I have right here. Wasn't giving me what I wanted to give. That's going next. So here we go. Let me know what you think. I do like it, so I guess it doesn't matter, but it's good to have a conversation and just go back and forth with it. But I love this artwork because it has the green inside. It pops the green off from the wallpaper and the whiteness around it and everything I love, and the art light. So let me show you something. So in the nighttime, that's what it looks like. I like it. So for the bedroom, I went ahead and choose to hang the artwork on this side instead of the mirror. I just feel like it looks better. Okay, let me show you with the lights off. That's not a light. I really feel like once we change out this dresser right here, and possibly get something tall like a plant or just something. I'm thinking really a plant or something. I think that would tie in that space really nicely. I have a longer dress to have that style of. I think that would look way, way better.